What's up YouTube family, it's your boy S.Craft Blends back again with another barber tutorial, and today I just want to give you guys a quick tip. Whenever I run into someone that has long hair like this and they want to kind of leave the top but style it, you know, and go down to a skin fade or a number 1 fade, but they want to leave the parietal ridge area really full, what I do is really quickly go through with clipper over comb, not even trying to make it perfect, just trying to, you know, knock down the bulk. Also in the back, as you can see, I drop down just a little bit and just create that shape that they're looking for, just to knock the bulk down so that I can fade into it properly. Also, as you can see, I'm turning the comb out at an angle, and if they want to do like a number 3, let's say, in that area, then I'll, like we're doing a number 3 right now, I will kind of make sure that I don't go too close to the head, but at least we're knocking that bulk down that I can just blend right into. Some people like to have that ridge look effect also around that parietal ridge, so it goes from a fade to the long hair, but it looks like a shelf or a ridge. This is one of the ways to get that done. Today we're not doing the whole haircut. There again, I'm just kind of showing you what I do. So then I start with the fade down technique. After I do the clipper over comb, I went into the number 3, and now I'm going into the number 2. He wants a number 1 on the side, so but he wants to leave that parietal ridge area still thick to kind of give it that V shape. So what I'll do is just go ahead and drop down to that number 2. Might do it open and then closed, and then I'll come in with a 1.5 after that and just blend right into that number 2, just dropping down just a little bit. This is called the fade down technique. There again, I start with the 3 and the parietal ridge, drop down to like a 2, and now I'm doing the 1.5, and then I will drop down to the 1, taper out the back, line it up, all that good stuff. But as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's a very quick process, and you could go right into it with the number 3, but sometimes for me it's just easier, more effective to go in with clipper over comb first, just knocking that hair down, still able to create the shape that I'm looking for. So now I'm going in with that number 1 open, blending into that number 1.5 guard, and then toward the sideburn area I'll go ahead and close up that number 1 and just clean up the bottom area. Like I said, in the back we'll go ahead and taper that out. I'm not going to show all that. This video is more for the purpose of just giving you an idea of how quick and simple it is to knock down really long hair so that you can blend into it. And for me, I don't really take a whole lot of time to perfect it. As you know, I like to lay a foundation really quick, and then I'll come in and touch it up with shear over comb or thinning shear over comb, blending shear over comb, you know, and just make sure that I get it looking blurry. Then I'll come back in later and deal with the top. There again, this video is not dealing with all of that, showing you the complete cut. It's just kind of giving you a tip of how to deal with you know, really bulky long hair on the side, making it tight on the bottom and still keeping it full. Some people like to keep it full in that parietal ridge area, so there again it gives it that kind of V shape, or you know, and then you know they can style that with some paste or something and push that hair in different directions however they like it to give it more of a textured look. So right now I'm just kind of cleaning them up. Like I said, I taper out the back on this guy, and I'll come back later and cut the top and all that good stuff and style it. But there again, right now I'm just trying to show you my process of how I knock down bulk and fade into it. So now, you know, if I see little dark spots, I come in with my thinning shears, and I'll just go ahead and start hitting those little dark spots to make sure that we get a nice clean fade. If you like that, guys, and you would want to see some more stuff like this, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.